Congratulations on your new hot tub. You're about to embark on a journey of relaxation, rejuvenation, and pure enjoyment. Today, we're going to walk you through the essential steps to get your hot tub up and running smoothly. First things first, let's find your owner's manual and warranty card. Go to the front of your hot tub where the screen is. Start out by taking off the corner panels by the screws attached. Now you can pop off the front panel by pulling up, then out towards you. This panel is attached via cable, so pop it off if you need more room. Now that you have everything off, you can peel back the insulation to finally reveal your owner's manual and warranty card. Now let's fill up your hot tub. Connect a hose to a clean water source and begin filling the tub. Put your hose through the hot tub's filter compartment. Remove the filter to reveal the fill hole. When you turn the water on, you'll see it filling through the jets. The level you want to fill up your hot tub is about halfway up the filter cage, or 6 inches from the top. Now that it's filled to the desired level, you can put the filter back in its compartment. After you get everything in place, you can finally turn on the power for your hot tub. Begin messing with the UI. To get into the menu, you want to hold it until you reach that water line. Over here on the left, you can activate the jets at 2 different speed levels. As seen, you can adjust how powerful you want your massage, and for certain hot tubs, you can also toggle this waterfall effect. Here you can adjust and toggle your desired temperature settings. Here's the light button with a pretty cool indicator to tell if your lights are on or off. The 3 bars on the top right will take you further into the menu system. Here you can adjust the brightness with the night and day contrast, invert your screen for when you're in and out of your tub, and you have a sleep mode for whenever you're not using the menu. The light bulb over here gives you full RGB access to choose any color that you want at any brightness at your desire. In the settings sections, the only ones you'll really be messing with is maintenance. For water care, all you really need to know is that away from home only turns on during filtration cycles and standard heats the water 24/7. The energy saving modes are presets that toggle the water heater at certain periods. Date and time adjust the internal calendar. Keypad is to select the languages and between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The config is only for the technicians, and the about tells you about the hot tub's model number and other technical info. Assemble and attach the cover lifter to the side of the hot tub with the instructions included. This cover lifter allows you to easily remove, store during usage, and protect your cover. When you purchase a hot tub with us, you get a complimentary set of maintenance accessories. That includes a water container to bring your water in-store to test for free using our WaterLink Spin Touch photometer to get accurate results. A spa care guide for upkeep instructions, maintenance schedules, and chemical information. Test strips for at-home testing. Spa up and spa down to adjust the total alkalinity to 80 ppm to 120 ppm. And the pH to 7.2 to 7.8. Calcium booster to adjust the calcium hardness to 150 ppm to 400. Chlorinating granules and activate granular for sanitization purposes. And prevent to use after filling up your hot tub for the first time. It is a sequestering agent that prevents minerals from damaging the heater, plumbing, and prevent stains from the hot tub surface. Some general information is before each use add oxidizer and then add sanitizer after. Weekly you want to test and adjust your water. Monthly, pull out the filter, spray it down with a garden hose, and every 3 to 4 months, drain, clean, and refill your hot tub, as well as chemically cleaning the filter. After adding chemicals, you want to wait 30 minutes before using. And there you have it, you're now ready to enjoy our hot tub to the fullest. If you have any more questions, visit our website and reach out by clicking the link in the description box to visit one of our stores today. Happy swimming and relaxing, classic pool, spa, and Hearth fans. Until next time, subscribe for more content.